Hi Kickstarter, I'm Mitch, and this is the Scooper Duper. It's a super duper folding food scooper that's essential in the kitchen. If you cook at all, then you have a knife, a cutting board, and a problem. The problem you have is this. After you chop your food, how do you get it from the cutting board to wherever you want to put it? Now your brain is big and the chopped food is small, so you're winning this battle. But let's take a look at some of the casualties that are probably happening along the way. You might use your hand and knife to scoop up food like this, but this is dangerous, messy, and the width of your knife limits how much food you can pick up. You might do this, but then this might happen. Let me show you a better way. Knives are made for chopping, not scooping or funneling, so let them chop. And let your new best friend, the Scooper Duper, do the scooping and funneling. Just slide to scoop and fold to funnel. It's that easy. I use it to prepare food when I need to move food from the cutting board to a pot or a pan. It's very handy when I need to put food into a small bowl. It can even pick up small food items like minced garlic or chives. It's great for making dishes with multiple ingredients like salads and fruit salads, even egg salad. It's great for cleaning up food scraps when you're done cooking, and I'm sure that you'll find many other uses for it as well. It's made of 100% food-grade materials, so you can cut directly on it. It's easy to clean and it's dishwasher safe. And it takes up hardly any space when you store it with your cutting boards. If you cook or know someone who does, I hope you back this project. We have a world-class manufacturer standing by, ready to make as many Scooper Dupers as your heart desires. Thank you for your support.
Sharp knives are essential in every kitchen. Cut, slice, dice like playing an instrument. They set your pace, give you precision and efficiency, so that you can focus and cook like a pro. I mean, with this knife, you feel like a pro.
The minimalistic all-metal design is very smart. Its smooth contour fits my modern kitchen perfectly. Lightweight and great balance. A wider area to place your fingers for a super comfortable grip. The cut is really smooth.
I like it even more when I hold it. And it's easy to keep clean.
Made of powdered steel, this knife is sharp and stays sharp longer, making a perfect cut every time.
We know knives are important to your cooking. We've spent the last 3 years redesigning knives from scratch, creating a beautiful shape that also elevates the function. Every detail has been defined and justified by chefs and experts. Pro-grade performance but low maintenance, unlike other high-end knives, thanks to the special powder steel, crevice-free design, and titanium coating. Our high-end precise production standard also makes sure it cuts well even after long-time use. It's just one rinse away from being completely clean. It is created for you with a small price tag. And by the way, we have also redesigned the knife block completely. Order now, get inspired, and cook like a pro.